How I make $100 daily on crypto arbitrage. First of all, I turn down all strategies with fake websites that scammers are trying to sell us on YouTube and bots that trade at loss. So I got to testing strategies on verified exchanges. After testing various options, I found a strategy with a profit of 4% between Bybit and Maxi. And now I'm gonna show it to you. The full guide can be found on my Telegram, the link is in the bio. Okay, now let's get to the strategy that'll bring us 4% profit. I created a new wallet on Maxi for EOS coin. I had a hard time with that one. I bought EOS coin on Bybit. I transferred the coin from Bybit to my Maxi wallet. Eventually, I got 4% more EOS on Maxi than I transferred from Bybit. I got the profit due to bugs in the EOS network, which were recently reported by the developers. Yeah, they have already set limits to solve the errors, but it doesn't prevent you from trading that pair, if you know how to do that properly. Here's the guide on crypto arbitrage strategy using EOS coin. For this strategy, we're only going to use Bybit and Maxi. In order to buy EOS coin, for starters, you need to transfer money from your funding account to your trading account, if you haven't done that already. So we just click on Funding, select Transfer. Then click from Funding Account to Unified Trading Account. Select USDT, click Max, and confirm. Now proceed to Spot. Select the EOS USDT currency pair, enter the amount, select Limit Order, and click Buy EOS. The order was fulfilled, and now we've got 897 EOS coins in my account. Now we need to transfer these coins to Maxi. First off, we need to create an EOS coin address on Maxi. So we go to Maxi, proceed to Wallets, then Deposit. In the search box, we put EOS coin. And here we need a memo/tag, so copy the memo/tag. Go back to Home, click Profile. I show the full guide for working in a team. Make sure you read the terms and conditions about working in a team, and then DM me.